Wi-Fi connected on your mobile phone, but when you go to use the internet, the speed is very low. When you try to play a YouTube video, the speed is very slow. The video does not want to play. This can happen for a very simple reason. In this video, I will show you how to increase your Wi-Fi speed by changing a few settings. Let's see how to fix it. First of all, go to Settings option, scroll down here, click on Additional Settings option. Now click on Date and Time option. Now click on Network Provided Time and select your time zone. Now go to YouTube once again. Let's play the same video on YouTube again. You can see that the video is playing very well. There is no buffering. If we drag the video forward and backward, you can see here, it is playing very well. If we play another video and see if the problem is resolved, you can see that the video is playing very well. There is no buffering. Our internet speed has become much better. In this way, you can easily fix your slow Wi-Fi connection on your phone. Hope this video will help you to fix your problem. Thanks for watching this video.